first of all, you bring in the video that you want to use, click on the video and then move down to cutout. Let the cutout, just remove the background, let it do its job. Once it's done that, just hit cutout stroke and then pick the base luminin essence, the second one. Click on it and then choose whatever color you want, so you can go anywhere here. Just for make it easy, I'm going to go red. You can change the size of it. I like to keep it about 30. And then occupancy as well, just keep it about 45. So then we just down that. So the reason that we're doing this is so that we can move this person down. So if you're doing it before and after. So one of the things that's come up quite a bit is people are using this background. So they're having a paper background. So what we do here is scroll to the end and we use this, we turn this into an overlay and then we click on it and drag it across. So now he's in the bottom. So if you were talking about before and after or whatever you want to have popping up, you can move yourself so that you actually are taking up more room or are smaller. As an easy example, we'll add in a sticker. So we'll just do this point for now. So we can have the point appearing up here whilst we're talking about something. We can also have this here, so we're pointing that you should click yes on this video for it being awesome. If you want to mix it up slightly as well, you can click on this, add a keyframe, but bring it to here, and then move it to here, and then move it up, and that adds another keyframe. So whenever you play it, it shoots up to tell you to click that like.